Hey, Brian from Washable Hall. Today I have a VEVOR folding sofa. I believe it's twin size. So as you can tell, it is going to be tightly packed in here. So let's open it up and see what we get. And then we will be going to my daughter's house because this is going to be for the grandson's playroom. So they can have something to lounge on and hang out. So let's go from there. Okay, so it comes nice and rolled up, and I think I can probably open this up by hand here. It's wrapped up like a burrito, so let's get this. Okay, so this is the other part of the packaging. So obviously it's going to be kind of big for my work table, but I think we can manage that. So let me start cutting through on this side, since it is absolutely vacuum sealed. So okay. I think we can slide this out from here. Looks like that is a super flat pillow that should come into shape. And my lovely assistant will pull the bag off on that side. Oh, looks like there's two pillows that will come to life as soon as this kind of gets done expanding. So we're gonna let it sit like that overnight and we'll see how it comes into shape. But I think it said about 24 to 48 hours for it to come into full shape. My experience has it comes in shape a lot faster. However, my garage is a little on the cooler side, my workshop, so it might take a little bit longer. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll show you what it looks like when it's all set up. Okay, so this is about 24 hours later, so you can see how it poofed up a little bit. And it's got some more to go, but not too bad. And you can see how the pillows have fluffed up. So let's go set it up. Okay, so here's the couch, sofa. So it's nice and firm, sturdy, right? You like it? You want to show them how it folds out to a bed? Okay, come on. Take the pillows off. And we'll turn it to a bed. So that's the twin. Oh, did I bury one of your cards? And keys. Okay. So that is your mattress. And you can fold it all the way down. Let's see if it's big enough to fit me on it. What do you think? No? Okay. Fold it back up. And back into a chair. Okay. Brian, Aiden, and Percy from Washable Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.